Musta kayo, grade 9 students? Ready na ba kayo sa quiz sa science? So let's see kung gaano na ninyo naintindihan ang tungkol sa electricity, current, voltage, resistance, at electric circuits. So tara, simulan na natin ang 15 multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Which quantity measures the flow of electric charge? Letter A, voltage. Letter B, resistance. Letter C, current. Letter D, power. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Question number 2. What is the SI unit of electric current? Letter A, volt. Letter B, ampere. Letter C, ohm. Letter D, watt. Choose the letter of the correct answer. So let's proceed to question number 3. Which instrument measures electric current? Letter A, voltmeter. Letter B, thermometer. Letter C, ammeter. Letter D, barometer. Choose the letter of the correct answer. This is question number 4. What is the SI unit of voltage? Letter A, volt. Letter B, ampere. Letter C, ohm. Letter D, watt. Okay, let's proceed with question number 5. Voltage is best described as the blank. Letter A, opposition to current. Letter B, flow of electrons. Letter C, push that moves electrons. Letter D, speed of light. Which one is correct? Question number 6. Which material is commonly used as conductor in electrical wires? So letter A, rubber. Letter B, plastic. Letter C, copper. Letter D, wood. Okay, so this is question number 7. Resistance is the blank. So letter A, push on electrons. Letter B, opposition to the flow of current. Letter C, flow of electric charge. Letter D, source of electricity. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Write the letter of the correct answer. Okay, this is question number 7. Analyze carefully. This is question number 8. If the voltage increases while resistance stays the same, the current will most likely blank. Letter A, increase. Letter B, decrease. Letter C, stay the same. Letter D, stop. Okay, so think of it and analyze carefully. Okay, so let's proceed with question number 9. Which practice is the safest when using electricity? A, touch exposed wires. Letter B, use wet hands when plugging appliances. Letter C, overload extension cords. Letter D, keep hands dry when handling electrical devices. This is question number 10. What is electricity? Letter A, flow of protons. Letter B, flow of neutrons. Letter C, flow of electrons. And letter D, flow of atoms. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, so this is question number 11. What is needed for electricity to continuously flow? Letter A, an open circuit. Letter B, a complete circuit. Letter C, a broken wire. Letter D, a plastic rod. Question number 12. Again, you have to analyze this question. If resistance increases while voltage remains constant, the current will blank. A increase, B decrease, C double, D become voltage. Okay, so this is question number 13. You have to analyze it also. So think about it before choosing the letter of the correct answer. Number 13. Which statement correctly describes the relationship among current, voltage, and resistance? So letter A, voltage pushes electrons, resistance opposes their movement, and current is the flow of charge. Letter B, current pushes voltage through resistance. Letter C, resistance creates electricity. Letter D, voltage and current are always equal. Question number 14. Which electrical quantity is known as the push that moves electrons through a circuit? Letter A, current. Letter B, resistance. Letter C, voltage. Letter D, power. Okay, so this is the last question. Question number 15. Which electrical quantity measures the flow of electric charge in a circuit? Letter A, voltage. Letter B, resistance. Letter C, current. Letter D, power. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, congratulations! Natapos mo na ang quiz. So, sabay-sabay nating tingnan ang key to correction at alamin kung ilan ang iyong tamang sagot. Question number 1. Which quantity measures the flow of electric charge? The right answer is letter C, current. Question number 2. As a unit of electric current? Letter B, ampere. Number 3. Instrument that measures electric current? Of course, it is letter C, ammeter. And for question number 4, as a unit of voltage, very obvious question. The right answer is letter A, volt. Then number 5, voltage is best described as the number 5. The right answer is letter C, push that moves electrons. Number 6, commonly used as conductor in electric wires. Letter C, copper. Okay, let's stay connected. So, are you enjoying today's quiz? Comment voltage or like this video if you learn or enjoying this video about electricity. Okay, number 7, resistance is the blank. So, the right answer is letter B, opposition to the flow of current. And number 8, if the voltage increases while resistance stays the same, the current will most likely increases. Okay, so it is directly proportional. As one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases. Question number 9, which practice is the safest when using electricity? Of course, the right answer is letter D. Number 10, what is electricity? This is the flow of electrons. Letter C. Number 11. For number 11, the right answer is letter B, a complete circuit. Number 12. If resistance increases while voltage remains constant, the current will. The right answer is letter B, decrease. It is inversely proportional. Question number 13. The right answer is letter A. known as the push that moves electron through the circuit? The right answer is letter C, voltage. And for number 15, quantity that measures the flow of electric charge, the right answer is letter C, current. Okay, so congratulations sa pagtatapos ng quiz. Kung nakatulong ang video na to sa inyong review sa science, don't forget to like, subscribe, at hit the notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang susunod na mga quiz reviewers sa grade 9. Thank you so much and God bless.